So it's October 24th, 2021, and this is the first opportunity for the river restoration project to show what it's made of. This is the secondary flood channel, and it's working just as planned. Look at it. Look at it. You can see how wide the river is. We've essentially doubled its width with this project, at least for this section of the river, which benefits everybody up and downstream by just giving the river more room to breathe. And the piles really haven't moved, the wildlife piles of old wood from old trees. This is the south end of the flood channel, and you can see it has water in it, and it was designed, the levee was designed to have a gap in it here at the end, and then flow through the vineyard out towards Concrete. When there's enough flow, and this just started, the waters will start to go through my Sauvignon Blanc and out to Concrete.